In our trader rundown today, Todd Bubba Horwitz is here to light up the trading day for us, and good to have you on the show.
What's up? Great to be here.
Let's talk about this market. Now, implied volatility has been creeping up, so traders are all smiling, especially here at the options exchange, because they love a rock and roll market.
Right.
But we are ahead of that jobs number, so is this predicting something about the jobs number or something else going on here?
You know, 15, 16% volatility. We're still well below the 20-year moving average. So yeah, we're excited because when it's a 12 and it goes to 15, it feels like you've got some action. I think the jobs number is important more because of what it's going to do to what the Federal Reserve is going to do. It has really nothing to do with the actual job. It's really, are they going to raise rates, which 75% of economists predicted they're going to raise in June, or are they not going to raise? If they're going to raise rates, that means the market's probably going to sell off. If they're not, we're going to have a big rally. So it has nothing to do with the actual jobs. It's how the street interprets what's going on. Volatility is still very much absent because the markets are still really consolidating up here.
Is the market paying attention to what's happening with these primary elections?
No, I don't think so. I think you saw Ted Cruz throw in a towel on Tuesday night, and so now it's going to be basically Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton.
So the market really just doesn't care right now?
No, the market does not care.
So what do you care about? What stocks are you watching?
Well, you know, I care about just overall, I need us to break out of this consolidating range here. I think that's the hardest part of a trader is when markets consolidate, because we don't get enough movement one way or the other. We don't get follow through. So we need oil to either break to the upside again or break to the downside so we can get some play in the oil stocks. It's really, as a trader, it's a much more challenging market when you're consolidating. As investors are much happier because there's much less volatility, but traders really need volatility. So as far as stocks, I mean, I like Apple. I mean, that's a play that I want to make here. I want to be short. I still want to be short Amazon. Those are things that I'm looking at, but it's much more challenging. I want to wait till we can either break up to the upside and I can figure out what to do, or break to the downside, but I need this volatility to really break out as well as the consolidation.
Thank you very much.
Great to be here.